Morning guys, welcome back to a wet, miserable Fiji this morning. But we are off to the Mamanuca Islands. We are doing 3 different islands on our tour. We have a bit of change of plan. We were going to go with the local taking us out on his boat, but because of the adverse weather conditions, we thought it'd be better to do a proper tour with a bigger boat.
A little bit safer,
and a little bit drier, because
yeah.
it has been raining a lot. But yeah, we've got to get there because we're a little bit late this morning. And we've got to go back to Dinero Island to get our ferry.
So we're at Port General. We are waiting to get our ferry. I think it starts at 9, off to the island. I can't remember the names, can you?
I'm not too sure. 3 different islands. We'll find them out as we go along. We've got to find our guide so we can check in, and then I can get my morning coffee. Checked in, we have to pay $100 for our transfer to my hotel, which isn't too bad, probably a little bit cheaper than a taxi. Got our morning coffee, I think we've got about 25 minutes now to just chill out, check out Port then around, and off to see the islands. Trying to spot which boat is ours. I want this big boy, but we'll probably end up with this little one.
Okay, so we've stopped at our first stop, which is Sandbar, which is just there. We're going to go and do some swimming and possibly some snorkeling. But I don't think there's a lot to see here. The next stop, I think there is much more.
We're out to the Sandbar. Oh, the water's really warm. Woo. Getting in. Go, Molly. Sand on here is so smooth. It's amazing. Unfortunately the weather isn't the best today, but you can still appreciate it so much.
Yeah.
I think the best time of the day to get here when the tide's out, because apparently it goes like 100 meters either way. We've probably only got about 30 meters of it today, and it's still incredible.
Second of the day, and we're going to go to the second stop, which is Mamanuca Island. So this is Mono Island. This is where the Survivor series was filmed. We're not actually allowed on it, so if you can see the beach just behind us, you're not actually allowed to go on there, but we are allowed to snorkel, so we're going to go and see what fishes we can find underneath.
That was so lucky. Obviously where they're filming Survivor Series, I think they have like signals that are sent out to stop drones going anywhere near the island. As soon as it got near it, drone disconnected, flew back to home, but obviously we were on a boat and we're floating around, so it floated back, and luckily there was a little boat, and we took the little boat out and landed the drone in there. It took like one little crack, but I think it's still working, so I might get up at the next island, I'm not sure yet. I'm just gonna get in the sea and enjoy myself.
Go!
So I cut my toe.
So lunch was absolutely amazing. We had chicken, fish, we had like fruit and Fijian potato. Don't actually know what that was called.
I can't remember what it was called, but it was really nice. We went snorkeling and the coral out there was amazing next to Mono Island. But now we've got the boat across from Mono Island, about 5 minutes, to Madriki Island, which is where they filmed the film Castaway. So we're gonna go around here and try and check out some of the cool spots.
Castaway, and right where I'm standing, or just a little
this
bit
beach here,
is where the plane crashed. So if you've watched the film, sorry if you haven't and it's spoiled, but the plane crashes here, and just in that little cove over there,
see if I can zoom in, is where the pilot was buried. This island is actually still owned by the native Fijians, and it's just passed down through generation to generation, and anyone that comes on here, or any film or TV show that's shot here, they have to ask the locals for their permission, and they're paid a certain fee for each one, which was the case with Castaway, and they're actually filming Survivor on the other side of this island as well now.
And we're not allowed over there.
We're not allowed over there, but apparently they just only get like a small fee still, even though they own the land, which is crazy. This bit behind me is actually where Tom Hanks made the help me sign for the movie, and apparently because of like adverse weather conditions and things like that, it gets washed away a lot, and because of that the locals come back and redo the sign with coconuts because it's such a big tourist attraction. We've wandered round to the other side of the island and we've got this pristine, clear, abandoned beach.
The sand feels like I'm on marshmallows.
It is so cool along here, like there's no one here. I don't know if we're meant to be leaving now, but we've just got to check this beach out for a little bit. I wish the drone battery hadn't run out and they didn't put the blooming sensors on to stop me flying it in certain areas, but this has got to be one of the best beaches I've ever seen.
So that was amazing, wasn't it, that beach?
It was incredible.
But we've missed the first boat to take us back to our actual boat, so now we're going to have to wait for the second one. It's just started to rain. We had really good weather for about a minute.
A minute at most.
Can't help the tropics.
But we've got to wait for our boat to take us back to the main boat, and then we're going back to the Nero port.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, you saved my drone, man. You're a hero. Thank you very much.
So we're back at Port General now. Can't recommend cruising Fiji enough. It was an absolutely amazing day. The islands were just beautiful. But now we've got to find our transfer to get back to the hotel.
So before the transfer picks us up, we'll get some Fijian salami. A couple of tribes, we recommended these. It's like a Fijian alcohol hot type thing. Really nice. So we got our tribes, and they are very, very nice, aren't they?
So nice. Vodka with raspberry and watermelon.
Very, very nice. We got away about 20 minutes for our taxi. We get to sit out. You can see it and watch all that. So life is definitely not tough in Fiji. And we are back. I think we seem to do this at the end of every day, like a big sigh, but we are knackered, so we're going to get in here now, edit today's video, and talk to you guys in a big